My name's Amy Kevan. I work for Careflight in the Northern Territory in Darwin, and I'm an Amy. Before I started at Careflight, I didn't actually know much about aviation at all. I actually started in Careflight in the stores, looking after parts, and then an apprenticeship came about, and some of the engineers pushed me towards it and said that I'd be a good applicant. I undertook an apprenticeship through a workplace, went to Aviation Australia. There wasn't too many other female apprentices, and in my personal situation, I stopped to have a child, and now I only work part-time. I work 3 days a week. I think it's interesting because it's not quite that common, and my 2.5-year-old, when he tells me Mummy works on planes, when he sees a plane in the sky, it's quite exciting. And once he's a little bit older, I'd like to bring his little class through to come and have a look at the aircraft. One of my strong points, attention to detail. I'm thorough, and you do have to scrutinise things because obviously safety is paramount. If you do like working through a complex process, you'll enjoy this sort of work. There's heaps of variety. You're learning every day. There's never a dull moment.